Today, I'm teaching y'all how to drill holes in tile. First and foremost, the type of bit that you use is going to make all the difference in the world, so I highly recommend using the round diamond bits. Do not use the spade-shaped glass and tile bits. They are absolute garbage. You're going to burn them up. Number two, you're going to want to use a drill like this Skill 12-volt drill that I have here. Do not use an impact to do this. I cannot stress how important it is to start at an angle with your drill bit like I did here. The reason why we do this is so we can keep the bit from bouncing around, damaging the tile, so that we can get a perfectly round hole. And the last piece of advice that I've got for you is to dip your bit in water periodically to cool it off and to lubricate the bit itself so that you're not burning out the bit or dry drilling that tile. Hey, you know the deal. Like, subscribe, hit the little heart, do all the things, and I'll see you in the next one.